In this example, I'm going to show you how to move columns or rows. Let's say you wanted to move the last name column in front of the first name. Again, there are more than one ways to do that. The easiest way and the most logical way is you want to insert a blank column before the column B because you are to move the last name in front of the first name. Then you grab and move the entire column here. Let's do that. So since I wanted a blank column before the column B, I am going to select the entire column B. Then I'm going to click on the Insert button again under the Home tab. In the Cells group, I'm going to simply click on the Insert right there. By doing so, I inserted the entire column. Then I'm going to select the entire column D. I'm going to point my mouse on the border, remember that border sign? And I'm going to hold down my left mouse button and I can drag it into column B. By doing so, now I have the blank empty column, column D. I'm going to select the entire column D and I'm going to simply click on the delete in that. By doing so, right now I get my last name column before the first name column. Another way to do that is you are going to cut the entire column C. Then you are going to insert before the column B. Column C is the last name column. So I'm going to simply select the entire column C and I'll go under the Home tab. There is a cut button. You can either click on that little button right there or you can simply click on Control plus X key on your keyboard. I'm just going to click on the little scissors right there. And Excel is indicating that I'm cutting the entire column. Now, I am going to select the entire column B. Why? Because I wanted to insert before that. Once I select the entire column B, I am going to go to the Cells group. Right below the Insert, there is a little drop-down arrow. I'm going to click on that and I'm going to choose Insert Cut Cells. I'm going to click on that. By doing so, last name column is now in front of the first name and I don't have to deal with the empty column like I did before when I was inserting a brand new blank column in column B. You will do the same thing for the rows. Let's say you wanted to have the Gary V. Smith, the row number 6 to be the first record in your spreadsheet. I am going to select the entire row number 6. Then I'm going to click on the cut button. Again, I'm using the second method I just showed. Then I'm going to select the row number 3, which is the very first record. I wanted to insert right above it. Where do I go now? I go to the Insert and I'm going to do Insert Cut Cells. By doing so, your desired record now becomes the first record in your spreadsheet. Last, I wanted to show you how to hide columns and how to hide rows. Let's say I wanted to hide the first name column. I'm going to select the entire column C. Then I can right-click anywhere on the column C, right-click my mouse, and then I'm going to say hide. By doing so, now column C is hidden. There is an indication between column B and D. There is a one column being hidden. If you wanted to unhide that column B, you are to select both column B and column D. So drag your mouse all the way to D. Make sure you include before and after the column you hide. And then I'm going to right click there and I'm going to click on unhide. Same thing with the row. Let's say you want to hide the row number 6. Select the entire row 6, right click on it, hide it. To unhide the row number 6, you are to select row number 5 and row number 7, both of them. Then right click on anywhere on the selection and you want to click on unhide.
This training is brought to you by the Electronic Services Division of the Akron Summit County Public Library. Thank you for watching.